car? Well, dear viewers, James Raythorne here as usual, and I thought I'd show you about my new car. I paid the princely sum of £300 for this 2010 Astra H. As you can see, leather interior, electric heated seats, electric windows, loads of room around it. More room in the boot. And to top it off, it actually doesn't run badly at all. It's even got a display to monitor it. Probably running a bit. I've got to replace the rocker cover gasket, but other than that, she's fine. Okay. You can join me now on a drive round to my folks' place. So smooth compared to the Black Beauty. As much as I love the Black Beauty, obviously, she's going to have to go because she's getting a bit of a pain to find bits for, and given how low my income actually is, I can't afford to have any serious problems anymore. Which is a real blow. Mind you, I only paid 200 quid for the Black Beauty 9 years ago, so I've certainly made her last, and I'm gonna get the same amount of time at least out of this one. I've christened it the Silver Streak. Such a comfortable and beautiful car to ride in. Much better than its BMW 1 Series equivalent. And it's better than the works car that I had. That was the Astra H Estate, but it had a knackered engine. That imploded itself by the timing belt snapping. I'm going to get the cam belt changed on this, you know, because obviously with an engine like this, prevention is better than cure. But just feel that going over the bumps. Well, you can't obviously, but you can certainly feel them. You can certainly see the knocks as I drive. Well, I certainly can't feel a damn thing. I wonder what my parents are going to think when they see this. Give her a good clean out when I get home. Well, when I get back to the house. It's been sitting for a while, so the front brake discs might be a little bit warped. That's what that slight ticking is. It's not that there's no compression in the engine, thankfully. Either that or it's something stuck to the near side front tyre that I've not got rid of. done my first pickup and drop off in this actually. Absolutely faultless. Not a word of complaint. And it's got quite a low mileage actually. It's only got about 109,000 in this. For £300, I pretty much. I didn't buy this. I pretty much pinched it, if I'm honest. Is definitely my game. Unlike the Black Beauty, which is pretty much a poor man's hot hatch, this one doesn't encourage you to hoon about or out like that. It's much more refined and almost statesman-like, really. It's an Astra H, so I'm not going to call it posh, but by the same token, I'm not going to call it basic either. Use a bus that size to do that route. So I've pulled down a huge double decker. It's got slightly less miles to the gallon than the Black Beauty has, but it's probably, I mean, given how much kit this has, it's probably 100 kilos or so heavier. By the same token, I'm glad this hasn't got a 1.8 litre engine. They're the ones that we've got to watch out for in boxers. They're really not that good. There we go. So the moment of truth will go here. It's a race. Certainly where my folks are concerned. That's close enough. one last close look around. A bit muddy, but very nice. I will see you in the next one. Bye.